Today, the JBL MS62C and the GTO 609 will be tested out, powered with a car stereo. Now, officially, the MS62C with crossover and tweeter is 4 ohms, and the GTO is 3 ohms along with crossover network and tweeter. But just the mid woofers are 4 ohms each. I'll use a setup CD with pink noise to do the test. Since the GTO has a higher frequency response to justify, I'll use a signal between 125 Hz and 3.15 kHz with 24 dB per octave slopes at both ends. With head unit, we can provide no more than 20 watt RMS for 4 ohm speakers. Now we can test the effects of sensitivity. The sensitivity of the GTO 609 is 92 dB and the MS is 89 dB, so there is a 3 dB difference. We'll measure the best instantaneous decibel at volume levels 10, 20, 30 and 40. Let's go ahead. We'll measure how loud the JBL MS62C gets at volumes 10, 20, 30 and 40. The center of the speaker placed at the same position will measure the loudness of JBL MS62C at volume levels 10, 20, 30 and 40. From these data, it is clear that the GTO is twice as loud. As I told in my previous video about speaker specifications, that MS is underrated and requires up to 3 times the power to get loud. All I can suggest is get a speaker above 92 dB if you do not want to install an amplifier. With more cars having on steering music controls and AC controls on head unit, aftermarket stereo is not an option. And even if you want to install an amplifier, you can get away with a smaller one with higher sensitivity speaker on your side.